Now, what if you want to test a concept rapidly within a week time? That's where design sprint comes in. Originally developed at Google Ventures, the design sprint is a 5-day process to solve a big problem. Design a prototype and test it with users. It is a fast, focused, and it's all about learning before building. You should use it when you have a concept, what want validation before investing. You are deciding between two directions. You are entering a new space and need clarify fast. Let's break down the 5-day structure. Here is typical 5-day design sprint works. The day one is understand. Here it is mentioned as Monday. Make a map and choose target. The idea is here is to understand. The whole team comes together to define the challenge, map the user journey, and interview expert. Day two will be about sketching. Sketch competing solutions. Everyone sketches possible solutions individually. This encourages diverse thinking and prevents groupthink. Use crazy 8, fold a paper and sketch 8 times in 8 minutes. This kind of technique will be fast and you will be able to get more and more options. Once you reach to day 3 is all about decide. As a team, you have to vote on the best ideas and create a storyboard. A step-by-step flow of what the prototype will show. This storyboard becomes the blueprint for the prototype. Day 4 is about prototype. That's a build a realistic prototype. You build a simple but realistic prototype enough for a user to interact with. You can use Figma or any tools to build screens that simulate the core experience of the actual applications. Now, once you have developed the prototype, at the day 5, test with target customer, not with the fictional users. Test it with real users, ideally 5 people from your target audience, actually real user who is going to use this application, this product. You will gather honest reaction, friction point, and insight you can't get from assumptions. The beauty of this design sprint is you are testing with real user and you are getting the real time feedback even before investing in the production or the development of the product. By the end of day 5, you will know what response will resonate with your product, what doesn't, whether to pivot or proceed. The beauty of design sprint is you compress weeks of debate into 5 days of focused learning, and you avoid wasting time on unvalidated ideas. If you're building a product in a fast moving market, this is a method worth mastering. I will share a template for that, which is originally shared by the author of the book Design Sprint. Congratulations, you have just completed one of the critical phase of product development, the concept development and validation. You have learned how to translate raw idea into the structured, testable concept, craft vision-driven concept statement, visualize your idea, and storyboarding and prototyping. Importantly, using design sprint for rapidly learn, iterate, and move forward with confidence. You don't just fall in the love with the idea, you test them. That's the beauty of concept testing even before developing the product. Having a validated concept is only half of the story. There is more to go. In the next module, we will deep dive into feasibility and planning.